In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Messenger for customer support. We'll walk through a simple way to test your page like a customer would, then tune the essentials so every message gets a fast, friendly response. First, view your page from the customer's perspective. Log into a different Facebook account. This can be a colleague's or a dedicated test profile. Search for your business page and open it. Tap the message button and send a short note, something like, "Hi, I need help." Keep that conversation open. We'll use it to see how your settings and replies look on the customer side. Now switch back to your page as an admin and make sure messaging is enabled. Go to your page settings, open the messaging section, and turn on the option that lets people contact your page privately and shows the Messenger button. This ensures customers can reach you without hunting for an email or a web form. If that toggle is off, messages won't come through, and you'll miss opportunities to help and convert. Next, focus on responding quickly. Speed matters because fast replies build trust, prevent frustration, and can help you earn the very responsive badge that appears on your page. Turn on notifications so you're alerted to new messages on both desktop and mobile. If multiple team members help with support, make sure everyone knows who's on so no message sits unanswered. When you reply, be clear, friendly, and solution-oriented. If you need time to investigate, send a quick acknowledgement first, let the customer know you're on it, and follow up with the full answer. Finally, set up automated replies to cover common scenarios and off hours. In your page's messaging or inbox automation settings, enable an instant reply that goes out immediately when someone writes in. Use it to thank them, set expectations about response time, and share any helpful next steps. Add a greeting message that appears before a customer starts typing. This can introduce your support hours or prompt them for key details like their order number, which speeds up resolution. If you're offline or outside business hours, turn on an away or off-hours message so people get immediate acknowledgement and know when to expect a human response. Return to your test account and send another message. You should see the greeting up front, then the instant reply right after you hit send. Confirm that everything reads clearly and feels helpful. That's it. Enable messaging, reply fast, and use automation to cover the gaps. With those 3 moves, your Messenger support will feel professional, responsive, and customer-friendly.